Hello, Chef.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I'm AJ.
Nice to meet you, AJ.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Chef, how's it going? And Bria.
Nice to meet you, Bria. Are you ready?
I think we're ready.
Ready.
So today we're going to do a buffalo pulled chicken lettuce wrap. So if you want to take the half lemon, the Greek yogurt, and those dried herbs over there, put all the dry ingredients in the bowl with the Greek yogurt, give it a nice little toss. So in the meantime, I'll have you just pull a couple of these lettuce wraps and we'll put these off to the side.
We have our beautiful dressing that I sliced
Yes.
over.
Awesome. So I'm gonna need somebody to do the chopping and then somebody to do some pulling. Who wants to do the chopping? Who wants to do the pulling?
I'm a puller.
Okay.
All right, I'll chop it up.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna take this chicken. We're gonna do like a small dice of celery.
Okay.
And we're gonna chop up some green onion. How you feel about that?
Oh, I feel good about it. I got you. I'm gonna make you proud.
Awesome.
What
There you go.
Just got a little grease in your eye. We're all good.
You can just take a nice little hunk of the breast.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
There she is.
Yeah, that's right. And start just, just pulling, the shreds apart, and you can just put it right in that bowl.
Okay.
Yep. So the next thing is red onion. There you go, and not so big. You don't want a lot of onion.
Okay.
Yeah. So bring your finger up. There you go.
Ah, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
See, there it is.
There you go.
You got
And
this.
yep, beautiful. That chicken looks amazing.
I tried.
That onion looks amazing too. I'm so
Thank you,
proud.
bro.
And we'll add a few of our red onions inside. The shredded bird.
Could do without.
Okay.
Okay. You know what?
Got
You're
it
right.
out
You're.
there. Don't be shy.
You are right, honey.
Are you not gonna kiss me?
We're gonna put half of the celery inside.
Okay.
A little bit of our buffalo sauce inside, and we'll give that a quick toss. I'll say when.
When?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right.
And we have a pair of tongs right over there.
Yeah. Uniform.
Good stuff
Oh my
right
God.
there.
Good. Look,
Macro
smell
Good
that.
stuff.
Smell that.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Get in there.
So we can add just a little bit of salt
Okay. Little
and
pinch.
pepper.
All right. Oh, this is pepper.
This beautiful lettuce that you have pulled apart.
Yes, I have.
You can do like 2, 3, how hungry you are. It doesn't matter.
We have taco night at home, and it's always like this much shell and meat toppings overflow.
And it goes everywhere.
It's just, it's cute. It's cute.
So we drizzle a little bit of dressing.
Okay.
Nice little zhuzh.
That's the
I don't
proper
know what
term
a
for it.
zhuzh-
Oh,
There's a, I call that a gloppy doppy.
that's a dollop.
There we go.
All right. Let's try this Bria's famous dressing here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Just warning you.
We are big Greek yogurt fans, so this...
Oh, see, there you go.
I am ready for this. I'm ready.
All right. It's all right.
All right, guys. Dig in.
Let's
Should we
do
cheers?
it.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy. Can I just kind of go all out with this?
Yeah.
Oh, she's going all in.
Listen,
Thanks
your
for the
girl
silverware.
can eat. That was cute, but your girl eats.
That's what's up.
Oh, chef, hold on.
Y'all did that. You
Keep
guys
going.
did that.
Wow.
Simple, easy, 15 minutes,
You can't handle this heat. I know you can't. You need water, don't you?
You just keep eating.
Need to drink.
It don't matter. The heat don't hit you.
Guys.
Is that,
Thank
what
you.
you? I got sauce on my hands.
That is
Yeah.
okay.
That's how you know it's good.
Hi, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our channel for new videos every week. The subscribe button, it's up there.